Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable auto factory reset on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now click on secure lock settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and here you will see a auto factory reset button. So to enable the auto factory reset, turn on this button, and when you will turn on this button, it will automatically auto factory reset after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone. So if you want to disable the auto factory reset, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable auto factory reset on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.